Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to send WhatsApp message without saving number. So it's actually a pretty easy thing to do. So let's get to our WhatsApp to see if we can do it via WhatsApp. So as we head over to our message option in here, it says that we have to add a new contact in order to start a conversation. So we are heading out of WhatsApp first. So, as we don't want to save the number on our phone, but we want to send message in WhatsApp. So what we will do is just to head over to our browser, and in here just search or write wa.me slash, and here write the number, whatever you in which number you want to contact to or give a message to. So then you have to just search for it, and you can directly just start messaging. So yeah, this is how easily you can send WhatsApp message without saving number. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.